Hey there, welcome back to the Meat Thinker channel. When you don't have all day or all night to use your smoker, but your kids want barbecue anyways, I learned that the smoked spatchcock chicken can be a clutch in those situations. It will cook faster than the whole chicken and taste just as good. So let me start with showing you how to spatchcock a chicken. It is basically making the chicken lay flat on the smoker by cutting out the backbone and removing the breastbone. It's actually pretty easy, so follow me on this one. Take a pair of kitchen shears and work it from the tail to the neck bone on both sides. You'll have to cut through the ribs, just make sure to power through them. Remove the backbone and set it aside to make chicken stock, or I'll just throw it away because my wife thinks it's gross. Spread the back open. Wipe off any remainder of internals real quick. Right in the middle, you'll be able to locate the breastbone. Take your knife and cut it in the middle and rip out the breastbone. I ended up snapping the bone in two pieces, but I managed to get it out, so no problem. Flip the chicken over and tuck away the wings behind the shoulder, and now the chicken is spatchcocked and ready for some rubs. Today I'm using Whiskey Bend Barbecue 100 proof seasoning. Let's work it from the backside. Sprinkle them throughout and flip it over, and make sure to cover the skin evenly. Now it's time to get some smokes on the chicken. Place the chicken in the smoker set to 250 degrees. The target internal temperature today is 165 in the thickest part of breast meat. While the chicken is cooking, let's get the barbecue sauce ready. Today's pick is Franklin Original Barbecue Sauce. 2 hours in, brush and apply the barbecue sauce on the skin. Make sure to cover the entire chicken to build that flavor on top of the rub on the skin. It's been 3 hours and the internal temperature is at 161. I'll kick the temperature up to 300 for another 15 minutes to finish the cook. Now the bird is ready. The barbecue sauce was worked into the skin nicely, creating that shiny glazing. Nice dark brown color throughout. It smells fantastic. Now it's time to disassemble the chicken into individual pieces for the family. The knife cuts through no problem. This was a small chicken, so it may have been in the smoker a bit longer than it should have. The meat was tender, the skin had a great flavor mixed with the barbecue rub and barbecue sauce, but it wasn't as juicy as I expected it to be. I'll need to run the smoker a bit hotter to cook it for a shorter duration to prevent the meat drying out. Do you like to smoke chickens and turkeys spatchcocked? Or do you prefer smoking the whole bird? Do you have any other method you use for smoking chickens? Please let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed my video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out my Instagram handle at MeatThinker. Thank you for watching and keep meat thinking.